Namaste and good evening all. Welcome to the day 12 of October Yoga Challenge. So as usual, we will start with making a humming sound three times. Sit with your eyes closed. Take a normal breath in. Breathe out. Take a deep breath in. Hold the breath. And with a smile on your face, slowly breathe out, relaxing your shoulder and arms. Breathe in for making a humming sound. Relax. Feel the humming vibration inside the body. Wherever your mind is, bring back to this moment here and now. Now, slowly and gently open your eyes. So, today for the energizing breath, we will be doing full yogic breath. So, I hope now many of you would be knowing how to do full yogic breath. But if someone has joined today first time, then let me explain how to do it. First, what we do is you place the palms on your stomach. You breathe in, expand your stomach, and feel the stomach bulging up. Feel the stomach coming up, and then slowly breathe out. And then let's place the palms on your chest and feel the chest expanding, coming up a bit. Breathe in and expand the chest. Expand the side of the chest. Breathe in a little more and lift up the collarbone. So this is how we breathe in. So now what we do is we combine both the actions. Once we breathe in, we start with expanding the stomach and then move to the chest and then to the collarbone. So let's start. Close your eyes. Breathe in, expand your stomach. Continue breathing in, expand your chest. Breathe in little more, expand the side of the chest. A little bit more and lift up your collarbone. Hold the breath and slowly breathing out. Relax your collarbone. Relax your chest. Relax your stomach and pull your navel in. Once again, breathe in, expand your stomach. Continue breathing in, expand your chest. Breathe in little more, expand your side of your chest, your rib cage, collarbone. Completely fill up your torso. And then breathing out, relax your chest. Relax your collarbone. Relax your stomach. Let's continue on your own for 2 to 3 more breaths. Once you complete this round, relax. Now slowly and gently open your eyes. So let's all stand up. We will do some loosening exercises while standing up. Okay. So as usual, let's start with the neck rotation first. The first joint, the delicate joint. Breathing in, take your head up. And breathing out, chin to the chest. Once again, breathe in, take your head up. And breathing out, chin to the chest. This time, breathing in from your right hand back. And breathing out, left and front. Continue. Coordinate the movement with the breath. And keep a gentle smile on your face. Once you complete this round, reverse the direction, breathing in left and back, and breathing out right and front. Continue. Once we complete this round, relax, slowly come back to the center. Now let's do shoulder rotation by keeping our arms straight like this and breathing in. Move your shoulder front, up and back and down. Breathing in, front and up. And breathing out, back and down. Make a nice circle with your shoulder. And do not forget, smile on your face. Reverse direction. Breathing in, back and up. And breathing out, front and down. And relax. Let's move down to your spine region. Turn to your right side and take your left arm to the right side. And on the other side, stretch your left arm to the right and stretch your right arm to the left. Move your spine. Make sure both of your feet are still touching the ground. Have a nice stretch. Right, left. Breathing out, go to right. In, come back to center, and breathing out to the left. Again, in, come back to center. Out. Follow the breathing rhythm as well. And this time when you go to the right, take your arms behind the back. Twist little more. And relax. So let's go down to the waist. Spread your leg a little bit. Spread your leg. Hold your hips. Breathing in, take your head up. And breathing out, bend from your waist and go down. Breathing in, come up. And breathing out, go down. Do it slowly. Slow and steady movement. Breathing in, slowly come up. And breathing out, go down. This time when you go down, you drop your arms and rock your body left and right. We'll be focusing our practice today more on the spine, making our spine flexible. Rock your arms. Those who can hold their toes, they just hold their toe. And now slowly slide your palms on your leg and slowly come up. Let's work on our knees. Join your knees together. Place the palms on your knees and let's make a nice circle with the knee, anti-clockwise and clockwise. And relax. Let's rotate our ankle, stretch your ankle and clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise. Relax your leg. Let's do it with the other leg. Stretch your leg, anti-clockwise and clockwise. And relax. Loosen up your leg. Okay. Now imagine there is an ash fire in front of you and you need to pass through that fire. And how will you pass? You don't want to keep your feet longer on the ground, right? So we will do jogging as if we don't want to keep our feet longer on the ground. So Siddharth, let's start. Faster. Come on, faster. Pass the ash fire. Faster. Fast. Continue. And relax. Catch a few breaths. Breathe in from your nose and breathe out through the mouth. Now gently spread your leg and go down. Let's walk like a gorilla. Keep walking. Act also like a gorilla. And kids can make sound like a gorilla. Keep walking. Keep your back straight. Continue. Do not give up. And relax. Breathe in from your nose and breathe out through the mouth. Okay. Now let's do a swinging ha quickly. I hope everybody knows how to do swinging ha. We'll be breathing into the right and breathing out to this left, making a sound ha. Ha, like this. Okay. Let's begin. Breathe in. Ha. In. Ha. In. Ha. In. Ha. Louder. Ha. One more time. Ha. Last time. Ha. Relax. So this exercise is very good to release the botheration. So if you still have some botheration left, let's do it on the other side. Breathe into the left and ha! In, ha! In, ha! Louder! Ha! One more time. Ha! Last time. Ha! Relax. Feel the sensation inside the body. Feel there is something which has gone from the heart region. There is some emptiness there now. We have released the botheration. So now let's start working on the spine. Breathing in, take your arms up, interlace the finger, palms facing the sky, and slowly come up on your toes. And look at a single point in front of you, you will be able to hold. Stay there, continue breathing, do not hold the breath. Breathing out, relax, slowly go down. And relax your arms. Okay. Now let's do Konasana 2. Once again, breathing in, take your arms up, interlace the finger, index finger pointing to the ceiling, and gently bend to your right side. Feel the stretch on the left side of the body. With a smile on your face, relax in the posture, awareness on the breath, and attention on the stretched body part. Breathing in, come back to the center. And breathing out to the left. Continue breathing in and out. Breathing in, slowly come back to the center. And breathing out, relax. Let's do Kati Chakrasana. Straighten your arms in front, as if you're holding a box in between both the palms. And now gently turn to your right side and look over your right shoulder. Make sure your right big toe is touching the ground. The whole right foot is on the ground. Breathing in, come back to the center. And breathing out to the left and look over your left shoulder. Breathing in, come back to the center. And breathing out, relax. Now let's do Hasta Uttanasana and Hasta Padasana, the backward bending and the forward bending. Breathing in, take your arms up, hips forward, head back, like this. Stay there, take few breaths here. And breathing out, straighten your arms first. Once again, breathe in and then breathing out. Bend forward from your waist in Hasta Padasana. Let's go down. Keeping your back straight. Keep going down, keeping your back straight. And once you reach to the ground, if you can hold your knee, your ankle or your toe, just hold that. Hold your toe like this if you can. And then breathing in, straighten your back. And breathing out, taking your elbows outside, go closer to the knee. Every breath in, stretch your back, make your back straight. And breathing out, go closer to the knee. Listen to your body, do as much as you can. Every breath in, straighten your back. And breathing out, go down further. Now breathing in, keeping your back straight, slowly come up. And breathing out, relax. Very good. Let's come to the front of the mat. We will do one round of Surya Namaskar with some minor variations. Breathe in and out. Namaste. 1, 2, front and up. 3, forward and down. Stay here. Now, with the help of the left palm, hold your right foot. And breathing in, lift up your right arm up. Lift up your right arm up. Once again, we are making our spine flexible. Breathing out, go down. Let's do it on the other side. Hold your left foot, your right arm, and lift up your left arm up. Breathing out, relax. Place the palms by the side of your feet and breathing in, take your right leg back. Listen to the body. If the variations are difficult to you, please avoid. Come to Ashwa Sanchalanasana. Stay here. Now, once again, breathe in and then breathing out. Take your left leg back in Chaturanga Dandasana. Gently place the knee on the ground and slide forward in Ashtanga Namaskar. The 8 parts of the body touching the ground or the mat. Breathing in Cobra. Now in Cobra position, stay here and Gently turn your face to the right side and look at your left heel. Breathing in, come back to the center and turn to the left and look at your right heel. Breathing in, come back to the center and breathing out, go to downward facing dog. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Touch your heels also to the ground. Lift your knuckles up. And now breathing in, lift up your right leg straight up. Right leg up. And stay there. Take few breaths here. Breathing out, relax the right leg. Breathing in, lift up your left leg. Stretch your left leg. Breathing out, relax your left leg. Now breathing in, bring your right leg between the palms. Breathing out, left leg. In, up and back. And breathing out, namaste. Okay, let's do the left half. Breathe in and out, namaste. 1, 2, 3, 4, left. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Back to namaste. Very good. So we completed the one set of Surya Namaskar.
Okay.
Now let's sit in imaginary chair pose. Straighten your arms in front and push your buttocks back as if there's a chair behind you. Go back. Go back. Make sure your knees are not crossing the toe mark. And once the thighs are parallel to the ground, stay here. Stay here. Listen to your body. Do as much as you can. Slowly come up a bit. And then again go down. Keep your back straight. Come up and gently go down and sit down. Let's do butterfly pose. Touch your heels together, bring it closer to the body. Flap your legs. Smiling butterflies. Flap it faster, faster, faster. Now gently place both the feet around 4 to 6 feet far from the body, just 4 to 6 inches, 4 to 6 inches far from the body. Keep your back straight. And breathing out, keeping your back straight, slowly go down. Do not make a curve with your back. Back remains straight. If you go only this much, it's fine. But make sure your back is straight. Go down. Breathing in, slowly come up. And breathing out, relax. So let's lie down on our stomach. Let's do some lying down postures. Palms by the side of your body, facing the sky. Make a fist with your palms by tucking in the thumbs inside the forefinger and place both the fists close to your groin region. And breathing in, lift up both the legs. Stretch both the legs. All these lying down exercises are very good for the back pain issues. It helps to improve the back. Breathing out, relax both the legs. Then breathing in, slide the palms and bring it below the shoulder. Below the shoulder. Now breathing in, vertebra by vertebra, slowly come up in cobra pose. Your shoulders are rolled back, elbows close to the body. Breathing out, slowly go down. Now let's do Superman or Superwoman posture. Straighten your arms over the head. Breathing in, lift up in Superman or a Superwoman posture. Fly high. Breathing out, relax. Gently take the arms back, bend your knees, hold the ankle. And breathing in, lift up in Dhanurasana, the bow posture. Breathing out, relax. Now let's lie down on the sides. Lie down on the sides. Let's do some lying down postures on the side. Just relax in Vishnu Asana. Support your head on the right palm. And place the left palm in front of the chest to support the body. Breathing in, lift up your left leg up, straight up. And breathing out, bring it down. Once again, breathing in, lift your left leg up. And breathing out, bring it down. Once again, lift it up. And this time, stay here and start making a circle with your leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax your leg. Now gently place the left foot in front of your thigh, in front of the right thigh, and place your left palm on your left knee. Relax as if you are a king. And if possible, lift up your right leg up little bit. With a smile on your face. And relax. Let's do it on the other side. You may just flip over. I'm turning so that you are able to see me. Okay. Place the right palm in front of the chest now, because we are holding our head with the left palm now. Breathing in, lift up your right leg straight up. Breathing out, bring it down. In, out. Once again, in, and stay here. Start making a circle with the right leg. 1, 2, 3. Bigger circle. 4, 5. Opposite direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Now gently place the right feet in front of the left thigh. Yeah. And place the right palm on your right knee. And lift up your left leg straight up. Toes pointing in the front. And take few breaths here. Relax in Vishnu Asana. Breathing out, relax. Now let's gently lie down on the back. We'll do some lying down postures on the back. Let's start with the boat posture first. Breathing in, lift your arms up. And breathing out, come to the boat posture. Bring your palms over the thigh and lift up your upper half of your body and your leg. Hold the posture with the help of your abdominal muscle. Stay there. Continue breathing. Do not hold the breath. If you can come only this much, that also is fine. Listen to your body. Do as much as you can. Stay there and breathing out. Relax. Relax. Take few breaths here. Now gently bend both the legs and bring it close to the chest. Once again, breathe in and then breathing out. Bring your nose between the knee. You may rock your body forward and backward. Give a good massage to your back. And relax. Let's do one more posture here. Lift both the legs up and your toes, your sole is pointing to the sky. Hold your leg like this and try to bring up your ankle exactly above your knee. Do as much as you can. And your lower back is touching the ground. Open up your hip. Do as much as you can. If you find it is difficult, please avoid. Listen to your body. Breathing in slowly. Bring both the legs closer and straighten up your leg. Straighten your leg. Let's do final relaxation here. Shake your whole body and make a humming sound. Shake your whole body, your legs, your arms, your head, your whole body. And let's make a humming sound. Relax. Relax and let go. Feel the prana becoming alive in each cell of your body. Drop your whole body weight to the ground. Gently bring your attention to the right foot. Right lower leg and knee. Right thigh and hip. Whole of your right leg. Gently move your attention to the left foot. Left lower leg and knee. Left thigh and hip. Whole of your left leg. Tension on your genital region, abdomen, stomach near navel region, chest near the heart, right shoulder and right arm, left shoulder and left arm. Throat and neck region, face, forehead, top of the head, whole body, gently turn to your right side. Taking support of your arms, slowly sit up. Okay. Sit up. And let's do Nadi Shodhan Pranayam here. So I hope you remember how to do Nadi Shodhan Pranayam. And those who are doing it for first time, I'll give the instruction. For the left palm, you make a chin like this. Like you touch your index finger to the thumb and place it on your left thigh. Middle finger and index finger between the eyebrows of the right palm. Thumb on your right nostril. Little finger and ring finger on your left nostril. Now, to start with, breathe in from both the nostrils. Close your right nostril and breathe out from the left. Breathe in from the left. Close the left and breathe out from the right. Breathe in from the right. Close the right and breathe out from the left. Breathe in from the left. Close the left nostril and breathe out from the right. Breathe in from the right. And breathe out from the left. Continue for 4 more rounds on your own. Once you complete the last round, relax. Sit with your eyes closed. Sit with your spine erect, body relax and loose. Keep a gentle smile on your face. It doesn't matter even if it is artificial.
My mute did not work.
Continue breathing in and out. Gently bring your attention to your nostrils. Feel the breath going into the nostrils and coming out from the nostrils. Breath is going in and out, keeping this body alive. Keep your attention on the breath. Sit for a few more minutes. Keeping a smile on your face. Take a deep breath in. Breathe out with a smile. Become aware of your body and surroundings. May slowly and gently open your eyes. Okay. With this, we conclude the session for day 12. Apology for the disturbance. Maybe I request to all of you, don't turn on the yoga session and give it to the kid. If somebody has done that, please avoid that. That's all for today. See you all tomorrow, same time, 6:45. And one more announcement: whenever you sign in to this sign in with the same name again and again, because what we have seen is we have seen same person signing in with the different names. So when we compile the attendance list, it is very difficult. So sign in with the same name again and again. Okay, that's all. Bye bye. See you all tomorrow, 6:45.